How to fix Snapchat crashing problem on your Snapchat account. Today guys, I have this solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go and open the settings of your phone, and when it's opening you will look for apps option. You will open it, then you will find all the application that you have on your phone. You will search just for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat, open it like this, and you have to go now to storage. On storage, go to the last button here, clear data, click OK, go back and click for stop, click OK and go back again to your home page and go to Play Store and update Snapchat again, and your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.